In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Logitech G435 headset. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble getting the G435 to work, either because it doesn't have audio, or it isn't connecting properly, or any other software-related issue, then follow these instructions and you will be able to get this done. So, first of all, the most effective way to fix any issues attributed to the G435 is to perform a soft reset, so essentially a power cycle. To do this, you power it off as usual, so you press and hold the power button until you see the LEDs go off. You wait approximately 30 seconds up to 1 minute and then you turn it back on and then see if this help resolve any temporary glitches and connection problems. Now you should be able to use the USB receiver, connect it to your PC or laptop again, and you will be good to go. Now, if it still doesn't work, another thing to check is the connection type that you are using. As you might be aware, there are two connection types. You have Bluetooth, and then you have the USB receiver from Logitech. Sometimes it can switch between both, and if it is switched and you are trying to use the other method, then it will refuse to work. So by resetting the connection method, you will be able to resolve this. To do it, press and hold the power button and the mute button for approximately 3 seconds. You will be able to tell that the switch took place because of the LED blinking here above the power button. So when you see this LED change color between something like light blue and then cyan, it indicates that it swapped between the Bluetooth mode and the wireless receiver mode. And once this is done, you can try connecting again, depending on the mode that you want to use. So either go into the Bluetooth devices or power it on and it should automatically connect itself to the receiver. And if it still does not work, then I would recommend restarting your device and doing the power cycle once more. Check the battery, ensure that it is sufficiently charged, and if it is not, use the provided USB cable with your headset to charge it. And as long as it has sufficient battery and you choose the appropriate connection method, it is going to work right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Logitech G435 headset. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.